Okay, guys, so I wrote my own version of the opening scene. So obviously you can't copy mine. You need to come up with your own. But I want to show you what you're supposed to be doing. So we're writing our own opening fantasy scene. You need to characterize your protagonist as someone who is impressive or enviable. And remember, your next scene, you're going to snap out of your fantasy and have a much more boring or mundane reality. So what I'm looking for is, do you have 3 examples of indirect characterization, steal, and you have minimal typos, misspellings, and grammatical errors? So what I did is I highlighted all the different versions of steal that are in my version. So I didn't get thoughts in there, but I did get speech, effect on others, actions, and looks, as you'll be able to see as I go through. So here is my first fantasy scene. Mr. Smart, Mr. Smart, tell me, how does it feel to be the world's most successful writer of fiction? Asked the beautiful young reporter as she held her trembling microphone to his lips. With an almost mystical glimmer in his eye, Mr. Smart looked out over the throng of journalists and reporters who eagerly awaited his answer. First of all, what a wonderful question. Thank you for asking, said Mr. Smart. He fondled a copy of his brand-new novel, The Magician's Nephew, in his large, sensitive hands. I guess you could say it feels like dipping your toes into a cool stream on a hot summer's day, except with more money and significantly more fame. Does that make sense? It does to me, replied the beautiful, blushing reporter. Next question.